People wonder, how come the district isn't maintaining their facilities with their regular operating budget? The fact is that public schools aren't funded to address the large capital project needs. Every dollar that's used from the operating budget, used for maintaining facilities, are funds that aren't available to put back into the classrooms or for instruction. Currently, the district sets aside or allocates $3.5 million from its annual operating budget for maintenance of our facilities. With inflation increases, especially relating to construction supplies and labor, that $3.5 million gets stretched every single year to address all of the facility projects that we have for the district's 40-plus buildings. Referendums have really become the tool for school districts to really maintain their facilities and meet their facilities needs.
Currently, we have identified about $400 to $500 million worth of deferred maintenance that would span over about 20 to 30 years. Some of the deferred maintenance projects we're hoping to address with this referendum. A big one would be our mechanical systems, our HVAC systems. Many of them are at end of life and need to be replaced. Another project that we hope to do is become more efficient with our lighting and our electrical. Largest project involved with that would be replacing many of our light fixtures with LED fixtures to become more efficient. Windows is a critical piece, not only for energy efficiency, but for comfort for our students and staff. Along with that as well, much of our buildings need attention for the brick, whether that's tuck pointing or just replacement of exterior finishes. Another piece that we would have to address is certainly some of our roofs.
So Chapel was built in 1950s. Some of the issues that we see are our floors are original. There are gaps in the tiles that make it unsafe. Our doors are not opening well. Tile on the walls is cracked and dangerous for students. We have bathrooms that are not original, but close and need to be updated. We do have, in my opinion, a major issue in our basement with water leaking over our electrical hub, and that we have a bucket down there. It drips, ceiling is falling from there, and it is something that has to get fixed.
Maintaining and improving our schools makes good financial sense. Good schools equal good communities, desirable places to live, which increases property values.